Alright, so here's the camping axe. And this looks like it would be the sharpening stone for it. Nice little weight to it. Here's the axe itself. And it does have a nice weight to it. Very solid feel. And it feels like it's pretty much kind of balanced up there when you're holding it from this position. It feels pretty much balanced. Also, you have the protector here for the blade. It's a rubber protector that goes over it. So, doesn't feel too sharp right now, but let's go outside and just give it a try. Alright, so I have a dried out stump. Let's just see how this works on here. Perfect. And as you can see, this works perfectly. It's a camping axe, so if you're going camping, you just need something extra to chop up. This will definitely do the job. It felt great in hand. The balance was pretty good. A lot of weight where it's supposed to be. So definitely would recommend picking this up. You can keep this in your trunk. Just check your state laws, make sure you can carry this. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching.